basically Ladysaw release a whole shit stamp on herself when she got trouble with people them, and now she end up in a bigger problem overall. Now, for all of the people them like Macadam and Spice, Lady and all of them people they don't really know the facts. We say, yo, Ladysaw work Obeah. No, she personally don't work the Obeah. But she have a sister where at the source are Obeah. And the source of all our problems them in the life right now. Because the whole dog bite situation is not Ladysaw make the dog them bite up. The woman is the sister where want to be like Ladysaw because she jealous and envious of her own sister. Because the reality is them never like this female. The sisters them and most of families them never like Ladysaw. Because she, in a sense, she's full between mother and father. The fear sister when them call just and her sister is just a half sister. Meaning she don't come from the father. She come from a different father. So she come in her family to actually corrupt the family and try to get everything. Now, she had the source of the Obeah. Now, Ladysaw go into Christianity and come out of Christianity because of this female. And she work all of the Obeah upon Ladysaw. She work all of the Obeah upon Ladysaw friend them. She work all of the Obeah upon Ladysaw family them. The one them actually assure her wagon. Because remember I two adopted youths them on Ladysaw have. Her biological nephew them she adapt what she say, oh, she try to give them a good life. Well, over the period at the time when them youth they live with them, the only thing when them youth they get a fight. And when time the youth them find the island powder them in the house and bring it to Ladysaw shore where them have money join oil and control oil and all of them things there, and the youth them find them in the house and show the lady. The lady just laugh and say, oh, I just money them want. So it's not like she don't know say her own family, her sister and brother, because she has me tell you the one named sister, and you have one who call himself Papa Kim, and then you have one down in the countryside where them call Ranny. Because the thing is, we know them people have on many different levels. So when you actually par with certain people in a circle with certain people, you get to find out a lot. You get to find out a lot about them people here. And she have 3 full brother and 1 half brother. And she have 1 full sister and 3 half sister. So, and the half brother and half sister them, with the 1 real sister what she have, and mash up her life. But the main one is the one of them called Jasriana, our sister. Now as I say, if I lady this friend, I am a lady this friend no more, it's because of she. And if you either want a family member, like the 2 adopted youths, them ladies have up there where I find the island and things and I show her what I go on, and I tell her about the Obeah man and Obeah woman where the same sister bring up in her house in the night and go straight in her room. Yeah, that's the one there. That I witch where I work all of the Obeah pan ladies and I call all, because all I problem in a ladies life. But ladies head lock off by her, so ladies will never see nothing. And as she make ladies come out of church one day, she use the Obeah and make ladies come out of church. Now the thing is when ladies are in a church, she have some saint, ladies and then saint a bigger wickedness she do while she in a church man come and preach to people and I go and like say, yo, she's anything right. I tell she if you tell you know what she doing the 2 youths them. Make her own sister, whole gun and youth them head. Want to shoot the youth them and the youth them have to dismantle her and take the gun from her and say them a go police station to give police them the gun. And them call police from the youth them to tell the police them say youth them come in her room, come beat her up and take her gun so them can go kill man. When all the youth them do a try stay out of them people away. Them a mess with them in a Kingston, the youth them go watch it. Them come and watch it and mess with the youth them until the youth them, ladies are end up run out the youth them out of house them where them a stay. Just because our Obeah working sister and brother them. So nobody thinks the ladies are not seen. Ladies are evil from she in a dance hall come right back. Until she a Christian, until she revert back from Christianity. Them people are evil. So people are road need to stop pick up for all of them people. If you don't know the full 100 and the background of them people, you can't pick up for them people. And the same sound we get to yourself in the hellfire for people. Because you don't know evil what them do, yet still you not pick up for them.